hello. Couple things about this Video smart lock. You get everything that you need, everything's supplied. What I love about this, you don't have to actually use batteries. They give you a rechargeable battery pack, and that battery pack just slides right in here. They make this really simple. You just pop that in place. You have your set, reset right on here, your on and off. So this is what it looks like. And how this works is so simple. So first of all, you have your bracket and your wire here. This is gonna go on the outside of your door. So you're gonna take all your whole doorknob off and everything off. Once your doorknob is off, you're simply gonna slide this through the opening. You wanna slide this cable in first. So this goes in like this, and everything slides in just like this. So this is facing on the outside. You got your keypad, you got your camera, and that faces on the outside. You can also charge this with the Type-C cable as well that they provide. So this is fully charged. You have a doorbell on here as well as finger to unlock. So if you don't want to enter your keypad, you can just use your finger. So once you have that open, and this is on your other side of the door, and in here you can see your connector and everything. Take this piece off like this, and you run your cables through. So it's probably going to be this one here. So you run it. So this is already through the door. This is on the other side of the door. And you just run your cables and everything. Let's see. Put this one up top here. This one's going to go right in here. And it's going to be something like this. So it's going to look something like this. You got this on the outside, your door through here, and this on the inside. And then what you do is you connect this cable right here. You connect this cable to this cable right here. And then you connect this prong in to the locking mechanism. That's going to go right in here as well. And then everything just mounts right on. And this is going to be on inside. And it's that simple. I know it sounds much harder than it actually is, but that's basically the gist of it. Now, let's say this runs out of battery or something's just not working right. They do give you keys, and for that, you just simply open this up and you put your key in, and this is how you can lock and unlock your door with the key like normal. And I love that it's hidden in there. It just makes it nice and sleek.